Oh, hello everyone. It's Mr. Joe. Today we're going to grow seeds in a jar. This is what we need to do our experiment. Some seeds, paper towels, a jar, or a Ziploc bag, and finally some water. For seeds we can use fruit, flowers, or even beans. Fruit is a good choice because a lot of us keep them in our fridge, and they're easy to use. Flowers are great and they look really beautiful, but I'm not going outside to buy any. Beans are great because they're really fast, but I don't have any beans myself, and again, I'm not going outside. So we're gonna go with fruit. Inside my refrigerator, I found some lemons. 1 slice to be exact. Lemons have special seeds, and that's because they are citrus fruit. Citrus, like lemon, lime, or oranges, have a shell around the seed, and we're gonna have to remove that. To do this, we're gonna locate the point of the seed and have an adult cut it off. So for this, you can use a pair of scissors or a pair of nail clippers. Alright, I got my nail clippers here, and one of the lemon seeds, and you can see the point right there. I'm just going to want to cut that off, but not too much because I don't want to hurt the seed on the inside. We just want to cut the shell. And got it. If you look inside, you can see a little dot. That's the seed. Now that is a good looking seed. I'll roll up enough paper towels so that when you put it inside your clear container, it will hold the seed firm against the wall without sliding out. The paper towel should be a little loose so that it has room to grow. For the Ziploc bag, we're just going to fold up some paper towels. We don't really need it to support the seed because we can just lay the paper towel flat. Just put your seed on there and put it inside the Ziploc bag, and you should be good to go. What do plants need to grow? They need 2 things. Do you know what they are? Here's a hint. What's this big yellow thing in the sky? And what do you think comes out of this? A little bit of water and a little bit of sunshine. Now let's get some water and water our seeds. Be careful not to add too much. You don't want to flood it, but you also don't want it to dry out, so make sure your paper towels are a little damp, and add water every day as you need. The same thing goes for our seed in the Ziploc bag. Not too much, not too little, but just enough to keep it damp. Now we can put our seeds on the windowsill so they can get some sunlight. It's not really that important right now, but as soon as the seeds sprout and have green leaves coming out, they're gonna need sun as soon as possible. It should take our seeds 1 to 3 weeks to sprout, so make sure you're watering them every day as needed and giving them sunlight, especially when they sprout. I'm looking forward to seeing the plants you guys grow. See you later, Mr. Joe, over and out.